We're out here in an undisclosed location. We've got my son and one of the fellas, Jesse, and Ricky Jr. down there. We're gonna see what we can find. Little Ricky leading the charge. It's gonna be a good day. Well, we knocked out about 1.5 miles of paddling. We got to our cut. We're gonna start and drift this whole bank for the day. See what we can do. There's the glory hole. We're gonna let Ricky get up in there and take a cast with his whopper plopper. Huh? You see the end. Yeah. Hug the right side a little, son. There you go. He muffed it. How's it going? Dude, I just want that thing to get slammed. Huh? Yeah, they're in there.
Oh, fuck yeah, they are. That's calm water.
Mm-hmm. Oh no.
You ain't getting that one back.
No more whopper plopper.
He said.
I don't like it.
That bitch is in the deep, son.
Oh man.
You're gonna have to go back up in there and tie a new leader in there too.
Yup. Look at that little guy. Oh look, there's another one.
Oh, geez, they're popping out of nowhere.
See how close they get. Yeah, he is. there's another one back. Look, there's two more back there.
Yeah, there's a lot back there.
Boy, hungry little suckers.
Go in there and see if they try and get it. Ooh, that one. Oh,
Oh,
yeah, that one's gonna get
he wants it. He wants it. Oh no.
Oh, jeez, he got it.
No.
Look at the other one coming.
Yeah, dude.
That is hilarious.
Grab me.
I
Oh,
got
geez,
you.
they're bolted. They're bolted.
Yeah. It's like, oh shit.
There he comes. He's gonna snap it. Got him.
Ricky, go ahead and paddle out of here. Go ahead and paddle out of here, Ricky.
Okay, good.
Uh-oh. Because if the big one comes, I don't need you right here. Look at him. Oh, no.
Oh,
Oh, I thought you snagged him.
Look how close we are.
Reach out and pet
Grab
him.
me, bro.
I can't reach. Oh, you just fast forwarded me. Oh, no.
Little tiny baby.
Yep.
Ready to get out of here
Yeah.
before mama comes?
See you later, little fellas.
They hungry.
Yeah, buddy. Little Snook-a-dook. First fish of the day. Now I'm gonna get him back in the water, bud. He gone. You're fine. Just chill. Little bumper boats.
What is it? Oh, geez, that thing pulled down.
Oh shit! What is that? Oh, it's a big old snook.
That's a big snook? Let's see it. Ooh, pull you up, oh.
Take me for a ride.
Oh yeah,
How big was that?
Oh, geez, that's
big.
big.
Need help?
Dude, that may be big.
I got it on.
You need help?
That's half the fun.
All right.
Dude, let's see it.
Grab his ass, boy. Nice.
Are you kidding me?
That's a snook right there, boys.
I want to come see that baby.
Yes, sir. Don't tip the boat.
On the Slam Shady paddle tail.
I'm going over there to see.
Hey, you gotta get a picture of this one.
Hey, wait up. Don't release that baby till I get a look at it.
I want to get him in the water.
Huh?
I said, get the camera out. I want to get him in the water.
Here, is it alright if I hold it?
Yeah, hold on.
Hey, you can take a picture with the GoPro.
Here, come here.
Okay.
Gonna be a quick one.
Yep. Got it?
Hold on.
I'm gonna try and grab that snook stand on for myself.
Boy, he choked it.
Did
That's good.
That's
There we
a
go.
good one right there.
Smile, Ricky. Look at the
Ricky,
camera.
Let me see it.
Okay.
I got like 4 of them.
Now I'll hold it and you take a picture of it.
Look at that.
I can't take a picture with the GoPro. I got you on camera. Here, look at me. Nice. All right, put him in.
Okay.
Put him in.
Let go.
There he goes.
He didn't give it no time, did he?
Huh? He slammed it, dude.
As soon as it hit the water.
No, he followed it out. Hit it 10 feet from the boat.
Oh, really?
Yep. Fucking
And you were just reeling it in.
little. Yep. He whopped it.
What the fuck you using? Why?
Well,
I'm kind of excited. I want to see what you got on.
yeah, I'm gonna look at it when we get up there.
That's what I want to see. How much good
Yeah. I hope, man, I hope I got some good video.
It's always, you never know with that though. 'Cause
Right.
You're looking at it.
Exactly.
Your head's always moving.
But you don't know if it's the right angle. Yeah.
You don't even know what you're recording because you ain't seeing it.
That's why usually I like to wear the chest mount.
Then you can look at it.
Yeah.
Ain't gonna lie, today